Hi friends, Watercolor Tree Series Episode 2, Light and Shadow. My source of light is towards right corner and the light is coming on the right side of the tree, so that portion will be the lighter area. Opposite to the light source is the darker side. So upper left corner will be the darker and the lower left corner will be the darkest one. And tree trunk which is opposite to the light will be the darker, and which is getting some light towards right hand side will be the lighter tree trunk, and towards left hand side is the darker. If we revise the last lesson, tone 1 lightest tone, medium tone, tone 2 darker tone, tone 3 and darkest tone, tone 4. So this is the combination of lesson 1 and lesson 2. So there are more trees to study. The source of light is right corner, so the right side of the tree is light and left hand side is the darker. Let's get started and let's paint our tree. This is wet on dry. My paper is dry and the color is really wet, and color I am using is lemon yellow. This is limited color palette. The other colors I am using lemon yellow, sap green, burnt sienna and indigo. I am making my source of light towards right corner, so the light is hitting on the tree towards from the right hand side. Brush I am using is calligraphy brush. You can use any round brush for number 4 or number 6. The second color I am introducing is the sap green. I am blending in some portion to make a smooth transition. Splatter some color to make some the leaves which is coming from the tree. Now this is the third tone. So leaving white spaces is the first tone, tonal value 1, lemon yellow, and blended sap green is tonal value 2, mid tone. And now the darker tone, you can see some area it's darker color. Then we will make the highlights or detailing with the darkest tone, tonal value 4. So nature is never uniform, so make some leaves, dotted and dashes that is coming out of the tree, and place some darker value that will create shadow in your tree, and shadow create depth. So it will look like this tree is fuller where we are putting the darker tone or the darkest tone. It will feel that this tree is heavy from this side. So now I am making trunk, and I mixed burnt sienna with lemon yellow to make the lighter tone. Don't make trunk thick, and make some branches going towards the tree and some tiny branches which is going deep into the trees. So now I am making my ground and just bleeding some color. Lifting technique, lifting some color and making some darker value. If you want to choose different color for your trees, go ahead and do that. For the darkest value, I am mixing my burnt sienna with indigo and making left hand side, which is opposite to my light direction, is the darker one, and right hand side, which is towards the light, is the lighter one. So even tree trunk is righter side lighter, right side is the lighter, and the left side will be the darker. I am feeling I need to put the more darker tone. So in some areas I am placing some really darkest tone like indigo with sap green and little bit of burnt sienna, and where the tree trunk is connected to the bottom portion of the tree would be really dark. So don't be scared to put darker tone on the paper. Go ahead and do it. That will create the magic. So we are almost done there. And friends, if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much staying with me. This was the episode 2 and episode 3. We are making trees with simple shapes and forms. And this is the way we can master our trees. See you in the next episode. Bye and keep painting. Thank you.